ready, baby?
Your mama used to worry about that big muddy river. Honey, do you remember?
Gotta lay it down.
The screen door slam when you stepped off the front porch. Hear your mama calling, don't be late. I hear your daddy holler, son, she's my only daughter. You'd stick your nose in the honeysuckle down by the gate. I can still hear your mama calling, don't go near the water.
This shit, all this just fit in those two boats.
But we didn't go near the water. Your mama used to worry about that big muddy river. She should have worried about me. Her fishing, so we waited on the perfect day. Hitched up my old John boat to see if it would still float. Should have seen the smile on her face. I found a little cold drop of lines to try our luck. Before too long, she said it's starting to heat up. She took off her shirt, said I'll get a little sun, handed me the copper tone, man I had me some fun. I rubbed it in real good, and I didn't miss a spot, and I got to see that little pink bikini top, 'cause the fish weren't biting. She said I'll lay out a little, but if we get a nibble, I wanna be the one to reel him in. I said, baby, you got it, we'll tell them all you caught it, but you're getting some red there on your skin. So I rubbed her down again, she said, baby, that feels nice. Won't you lay right here beside me? She didn't have to ask me twice. I kissed her lips as the sun went down. We lost track of time as we floated around that John boat rock out there in the dark. She still still laugh
Everybody
about that
recognizes that
little
little spot.
fishing trip we took. To this day, she don't know I didn't bait the hook.
Everybody knows these tater chips top. They're considered like lettuce and tomato.
You know I love to catch 'em, but brother, I won't lie. I had the best day of my life, 'cause the fish weren't biting.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stumble road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moonlight, we'll be falling in love in the middle of the night, just moving slow. Staying the whole night through, it feels so good to be with you. Spring is almost over and the summer is coming, the days are getting long. Waited all winter for the time to be right, just to take you along. Baby, get ready.
What are you doing, Chippy?
And it don't matter if we sit forever and the fish don't bite. We'll jump in a river and cool ourselves from the heat of the night. Baby, get ready. Ooh, you and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows. Down by the river in the full moon.